Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. Today we got a little special of a review. As you guys know, I'm a huge fan of trucker caps. And I ran across the sale, a moving sale of some sort. And I got it in here today. And this is from, what is the name of this company? We'll have to open it up and find out. I think it's called like Rock Socks or something like that. I'm not sure. We're gonna look it up and see here. I'm gonna be surprised just like you guys. Again, reviews of moves. I got my nice little box cutter here now. Jimmy Guerrero let me know about this company here and sent me a email with a discount code. So thank you for that, Jimmy. Let's go ahead and open this thing up very nicely. And this thing is like super sharp. And I reached out to these guys here as well because I didn't get a blade with my box cutter. I ordered the spade blade. And I didn't get it. But they took care of it for me, and they're sending it on my way. All right. Let's go ahead and get it in here. And this company is Odd Sox. I don't know. I think I was at Red Sox. So this is Odd Sox. And they're going to be kind of cool. I ordered a couple caps and some socks. I ordered some socks for my wife and daughter. They're both teachers. So I ordered them something kind of cool. And we're going to start off with my socks first. I got these pieces of apparatus. These are Patrick Star socks. And these socks, you know, I thought they were on clearance. They're like a moving sale for like $3 a pair. And I thought they'd be like that cheap, like, what do they call it? Sublimated socks. And these are actually good socks. I mean, these are like really thick socks. But that looks pretty cool. Good old Patrick Star. Yeah. What all did you eat today, Patrick? Oh, that's for breakfast. Oh, yeah. He gave a whole list. Yeah, it was a great episode. And I ended up getting my wife and daughter some socks. And they're more teacher-oriented. I think they're going to enjoy that. I had to get a small size they had. And like I said, these were all $3 each. I got them matching socks. So these are size 5 and 10 in women's. And I think they both wear like an 8. And I ordered me some other socks. Of course, these are for my daughter as well. And these are women's 5 to 11. So I ordered her some SpongeBob and Patrick and SpongeBob socks. She's a huge SpongeBob fan. And I ordered her some more. And I guess I didn't order any more myself. Oh, yeah, I got regular black no-show socks. So like I said, they're all like $3. I couldn't beat it. But then you got Mr. Krabs and Squidward for her. And hopefully she enjoys these. I think they're pretty cool. But now, the moment we were waiting for. You know, my daughter growing up, Nickelodeon, they had some of the best cartoons of that era. We just now did a gentleman's roundtable on our favorite cartoons growing up. Of course, mine being He-Man. And then, you know, later on, my daughter's born in 2000. You know, Nickelodeon had some great cartoons. You know, they had, I mean, not just Nickelodeon, but cartoons. You know, had Codename Kids. You had, what was the name with the rocket power, the skateboarding one? She used to watch that. Ed, and Eddie. I'm trying to think of some other ones they were. The one, a platypus guy. I can't think of his name. But, yeah, so one of the cartoons I remember watching, I was a little bit older, and one that she liked as well was Hey Arnold. And these Odd Socks, Odd Headwear actually have a Hey Arnold cap. So this is a trucker cap, and it's like half of it, the Hey Arnold's actually embroidered, but the other part is like silk screened in there. It's actually part of the fabric. But yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside. And then, of course, I'm an odd guy. And that's perfectly said for me. Be you, be odd. And that is right up my era. And here we go. Nickelodeon, Hey Arnold cap. And then my next one I got was another Nickelodeon cartoon. This one here is like when I was a little bit older, but was Ren and Stimpy. You know, like I said, these are stitched Ren and Stimpy, and then this is part of the cap. Got the odd logo here. Got the Ren and Stimpy this thing here. I wonder if our Hey Arnold had that on there. Yeah, Hey Arnold had it on there as well. But yeah, they're both pretty cool looking caps. Got a little bit pink, throws a little bit off on me. And I'm a big fan of pink. I don't mind pink at all. Bring out my feminine side. But yeah, we're going to go show a close-up of these bad boys. And let me know what if you have kids that grew up in the 2000s, what was their favorite cartoons? I could go on and on with a list of my daughter. It was, she was hooked on some of the toys she had were like these bracelets. They were like string bracelets, but they were different shapes. I remember that. There was Polly Pockets. I remember my wife vacuuming some of those up. She had a hissy fit on that. I remember the Bratz dolls. Like my daughter loved the Bratz dolls. And what other some of the other ones she had? I can't remember anymore right now. But yeah, it was good to have a child grow up at that time because of so many variety of cartoons. But yeah, so we're going to go and show a close-up of everything that I got. And then we're going to try on the caps. Not going to try on the socks, but we're going to try on the caps. All right, so there's the Hey Arnold one. You can see there. On the inside. Then we got the Ren and Stimpy. That was a great cartoon back in the day. You got the Odd logo there. Odd logo on the side. And then we got the socks that I got my daughter. We got the Patrick Star one. And SpongeBob is the other foot. I really think she's going to dig that. I think that's pretty cool. And then we got the Mr. Krabs and Squidward. And then we got my daughter, the teacher ones. And she was nominated. She got elected to get the Good Egg Award, or Golden Egg Award here in Wichita, which is it means you do your job pretty good. And my wife got it as well. So, yep, it was, but that is these are my socks here. They're Patrick Star. Hey, SpongeBob. But yeah, I really like all this stuff. Kind of cool, kind of kitty in me. And, just kind of living that young life, because I'm definitely getting old and trying to be as young as possible, as old as I'm getting. All right, let's go ahead and try these caps on. All right, so we're going to put on the Hey Arnold cap first. Let me go ahead and adjust the size here. I think I'm going to probably be 3 out. I'm going to take the cardboard out. Good for the trash. Go ahead and bend the brim a little bit. And there's the Hey Arnold. Actually, I like that. That's pretty cool. How many 50-year-olds that have a Hey Arnold cap? I'm going to be probably the only one. Yeah. I'm going to rock this thing. I'm going to wear this over their house tonight while I drop off her socks. Yeah. She's like, Dad, why? Why, Dad? I know she's going to be like, Dad, why? Why would you? Yeah. Well, wait till you see the next one there, Madison. I got something else for you, and it's called Ren and Stimpy. Yeah. So Ren and Stimpy up there. Yeah, buddy. Let's go ahead and put this one on. Yeah. Like, these are novelty items, obviously, and it's just, for $4 a hat, you couldn't beat it. And if you want to go ahead and head over to Odd Sox right now and pick up some of those moving sale items, hopefully they have some more left. But as the Ren and Stimpy one, I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. What movie is that from? All right. And then the Hey Arnold. Perfect. All right, everybody. Hopefully I brought some memories back to some of you older folks that have kids that were born in the 2000s to kind of reminisce some of those cartoons that you just watched with them. And now, if you got kids that are growing up here now, I know Anox got a 15-year-old, and I think his daughter's 10 or 11. Dude, cherish the memories as quick as you can. They grow up so fast, and it's, in a way, it brings back smiles to memories, but also it's sad because, she's no longer, my daughter's no longer a little girl. She's married, and living her best life and happily married. And I'm just glad I raised a good girl and had her have qualities there. My wife did a great job as well. And I'm getting all sentimental here now. And it just, but yeah, if you have kids now, just, people always said, like, you got to work, work, to support your family. But money's not everything. No, you got to make those memories and, try to get in a place to where you can live comfortable as well as spend as much time as you can with your family. because, like I said, it goes by so fast, blink of an eye. Next thing you know, you're 50 years old, your daughter's 25, and it's just Christmases are, you wait for grandkids to come along. It hasn't happened yet for us, but when the grandkids come along, kind of revives the Christmas spirit again, because now it's just, my wife and I, we pretty much just spend Christmas together. My daughter usually goes to Greenwich, Connecticut for family Christmas with my son-in-law's family, which is no big deal. As long as they have a good time, and we're older, we're mature, we understand. But once we get the grandkids there, if we ever do get them, it'll definitely, like I said, revive that Christmas spirit, opening gifts in the Christmas morning and just seeing smiles on the face, and kind of like circle of life type thing with grandkids watching cartoons nowadays, whatever cartoons are popular now. And yeah, it's just something to look forward to, and it's part of growing up and part of maturing. But yeah, everybody, again, this is Reviews of Moose. Hope I didn't get too sentimental for everybody. And let me know what you guys think about these caps. The Ren and Stimpy are the Hey Arnold cap. And let me know what you guys think of those socks as well. All right, Reviews of Moose, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks again for watching.